Hi guys, long time no see. I hope everybody's doing well and that the COVID-19 stuff hasn't affected anybody too greatly, deeply, and I hope everybody has had their second shot already. Mine is actually due this Monday, so expecting to get the same shot. The first one was Moderna. Hopefully I'll get that one as well, or I should say again, because the first time around I pretty much had no side effects. There was a little bit of tenderness in the arm. On second thought, I guess side effects are a good thing because you know it's working. So if you don't have any side effects, maybe it's not working. Regardless, I'm due for my second shot. I'm gonna take it and go from there. So yeah, long time no see, and it's been almost 2 years since I've gotten a piece of mail. So here it is. Thank you to Peter for sending this. It's out of Rhode Island, Jamestown, Rhode Island, and wow, $5 US. That's what is what is that? $20 Canadian. Sorry, I'm chewing peanuts here and drinking Pepsi. I know it's not the most healthy stuff, but in this hot weather, it's the only thing that keeps me sane and cool. So anyways, $5. I've been helping him via email, I think, and YouTube comments. And the $5 now qualifies him to tech support via phone. So he's going to be able to text me and WhatsApp me videos, voicemails, whatever, so we can keep his car running even longer. And as always, I cannot guarantee that I can fix things over the internet, but at least I can sort of lend a hand and provide a second opinion. What else? Yeah, mail support. I was getting worried that, not mail support, mail. I was beginning to think that the postal system was ignoring my email, my PO box, or that somebody at the post office realized that I'm a YouTube channel and has been skimming my stuff out of the PO box. But it looks like that's not the case. So there may still be hope for my mail order girlfriend. Although I hear that they don't like mechanics, but let there be hope, right? So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to post more videos. I know it's a long time coming and people are waiting for it, and I am trying to, you know, produce content, but the eye stuff is still an issue. And thanks to a viewer, he pointed me in a direction of a YouTube channel where you can actually correct your vision, and it makes sense the way things are explained, etc. But it's a long process basically, because you got to give your eyeballs and those muscles a chance to relax and do their job. If you just constantly wear glasses, which I am still doing at work, so I'm basically 2 steps forward, 1 step back type thing, or the other way around, 2 steps back, 1 step forward. What was I going to say now? Yeah, I have been recording stuff with my cell phone, so I guess I could post shorter videos like I did those last 2. But I do feel that longer videos are better to watch and show a bit more of things that I'm doing, and would be of more help to people when they do look for certain issues, rather than just saying, oh look, this is bad or whatever. They actually see me getting to whatever is bad and disassembling stuff. So anyways, I'm trying my best, or as much as I can. Hope you guys can understand, and thank you for staying with me, or sticking with me at this point still. Subscriber rate is still going up, a bit slower, obviously that's to be expected, and I'm rambling, sorry. Anyways, thanks for watching. Lots of other good channels to watch as well. Watch one of my other videos where I've mentioned other channels if you get tired and haven't finished watching my 1,600 videos yet and you need more content. NaptownTuner is almost at 10,000 subscribers. I think I was the first person to mention that he will hit it this year. I think he's going to hit it before end of summer, before end of August. I think I mentioned September that he's going to hit 10,000. I think it might be before end of August. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care. Till next time.